Hey guys, it's Ashley with Bigger Than the Three of Us. I am here today to share a super fast tutorial. It'll take you 5 minutes to change out your doorbell button with something cute. I just changed my old one out to this Please Ring one. It cost me about $12, super cute. And so I'm going to share a tutorial to walk you through the process. I still have to come back because I had an old doorbell button that was a bit larger. I still have to come back and fill a hole and do some paint touch-up, but that'll take me 2 minutes over the next day or two once the wood filler dries. Okay, so I have turned off the electricity and now I'm just going to unscrew the original doorbell button. See if I can pry off this doorbell. So I know my electricity is off. So I'm just going to unscrew the wires. And I have 2 wires here, so it's going to be a pretty easy install. So this is the new doorbell button that we're going to use, so I'm going to press it in first. And it's a different size than the last one, so I am going to have to fill some holes, and that is okay. So it doesn't matter which wire goes to which side, it just needs to go around like that, and then we will cinch this screw back down. Same with the other side. Press the wire in, and then it's connected. And so right now what I'm gonna do is turn on the electricity, press the button to make sure it works. All right, so I am going to pre-drill a small hole in the bottom. Okay, and I'm gonna put my screw in. I hope you guys really enjoyed this project. It was just a few minutes of my time and under $15. This button looks so much cuter than the one I had. Make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to get all of my tutorials.